How to sign out of Microsoft Copilot application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you are switching accounts using someone else's device or simply want to log out or sign out of the Microsoft Copilot app, then it is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Copilot application on your device, whichever device you are using, whether it is a smartphone or a tablet, and once you open up the app, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner from the home page. In the expanded menu, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom left, and on the next page, go at the bottom and you'll see the sign out button. Before signing out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials so that you can sign back in anytime. Click on the sign out button once you're ready and you have signed out of your Copilot application. If you ever want to use Copilot again, simply open the app and sign back in with your Microsoft account's credentials. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.